everyone, it's day 59 of my path to riches. Welcome, my name is Lori and welcome to the Lori Show. I'm here spreading positivity and love, and I'm also helping others to reach their goals and live their best lives. I'll be using many tips and tricks that I've collected on the way to preparing for this journey. If you are intrigued by anything that you have heard or will hear, you don't really know, but trust me, then give me a little thumbs up. And also, please, I don't want you to miss anything. So, along my path to riches, I'm gonna have a big breakthrough any day now. I've said this before, but it's really close. So please hit that bell as well. This is the personal statement that I've been using. It's really long, but here we go. I'm so happy and grateful now that I am financially free. I have $5,515,836 in the bank, and I'm so relaxed and calm about money. In return for this money, I'm a successful author. I teach half days, and I'm also a successful YouTuber. I have many viral videos, and I'm also proud of my work. I will fully realize this version of myself by June 30th, 2020. I will keep this short and sweet, but I also want to discuss 3 things with you guys, so I'm getting hot. Number 1, what is going well? Number 2, what I'm struggling with? And number 3, what I'm going to do next. Okay, so first, what's going well? I have an overall increased sense of happiness, positivity, and well-being. I'm happy that things are going well in my current job. Napoleon Hill always said to do your best in whatever role you're currently in. So you have to demonstrate that almost as if you're too big for the role that you're in. Okay, so this morning on my way into work, I had a bit of an epiphany. And sometimes the universe does give you answers. So I asked the universe, please give me some answers. What am I meant to do? And all of a sudden, the word healer popped into my head. My heart felt really warm, and then immediately I knew that it was right. So then I realized that I'm probably meant to teach children in a hospital and help bring them positivity that will help them heal. So I can make them laugh, I can keep them on their toes, and I don't know, I feel this is probably my true calling. I almost cried because it felt so good. It felt so real. Now, what am I struggling with? This is number 2. I'm struggling with a couple of different things here with this path to riches. I've already told you I'm struggling with this idea of meditating and clearing my mind. Keeping my mind quiet long enough to benefit from meditation is very difficult for me. So out of pure self-improvement, I quit coffee cold turkey about 3 days ago. I quit coffee out of hopes of being able to focus and sit still to do this meditation. So far, I think it is working. I did sleep better in the last couple of nights than usual. I'm also struggling with signs. So I see a lot of signs and synchronicities. For example, I find dimes literally everywhere. I think it means that my grandmother, my nonna, is watching over me from heaven. She used to give us rolls of dimes and quarters and nickels when she didn't have bills, like real money bills. So I'm not really sure what she's trying to tell me. And also other signs. So lastly, I'm gonna tell you guys what am I going to do next. So 2 things that I'm gonna do. Number 1, I'm just finishing reading a book by Andrew Kapp. Let me just show you guys here. Okay, it's a really amazing book. I'll show you some more after. Okay. I discovered this person, I believe it was in a Facebook group about the law of attraction, and immediately I knew that he knows, what he's doing, and his book is amazing. I got it from Amazon, and I'm not done yet, but it's separated nicely into instructional and then methods to apply. So I'm just finishing up the instructional part, and then I'm going to start applying some of the methods in my videos. The second strategy here that I want to mention is that I'm going to start recording my dreams. I'm excited to see what the stories and lessons of my subconscious are going to tell me. Let me know, do you guys dream a lot? Tell me what your dreams are about. The next video will be my path to riches, day 66 to 72. Stay tuned. It's happening soon, guys. Now, the last thing I wanted to mention is my Facebook group, which is dedicated to positivity and happiness. It's not huge, but the members are one of a kind. 3 shout outs I want to do here are my beautiful twin sister, Lori Spensieri. I want to do a shout out to a Carmen the Stallion and to a Sean Simon. Not a Sean Simon, to Sean Simon. Thank you everyone for being in my group. Thank you for watching the video. I'm so grateful for every single one of you. Without you guys, again, I'm just talking to myself. So have a wonderful day. Be positive. Hi, I wanted to add a few extra words about the book, The Last Law of Attraction book that you will ever need to read. I think I may have said the title wrong in the video as well, I'm sorry. But it's by Andrew Kapp, and I wanted to just add a couple of details about it. I do want to do a full review when I'm completely done. I read a book very slowly to make sure I'm not missing anything, because this one, it is the last Law of Attraction book I'm ever going to buy, and I'm going to really take it in, like make it part of my belief system, like 100%, because that's what you have to do. I like the way he starts out with this idea that the name of the book itself is helping you. It's setting you up for success, because it's saying it's the last book I'm ever going to need, because the law of attraction is working for me, and it's going to work for me, and I'm going to change the way I see it. And I'm not going to need more confirmation from other books and other authors and other speakers. I don't need to hear it said 90 different ways to understand it. I'm going to keep this short, I promise. Okay, so in the book, basically, it's explaining the law of attraction in such easy, simple terms for the layman who's not a big law of attraction guru. It goes over common mistakes that people make, and also common traps that people get stuck with before starting. So it does kind of set you up for success. I have to say, so far, I'm very pleased with what I've been reading. It's really exciting, and I really do think this program, the fact that it has kind of performance-based methods to try and that take the guesswork out of it, because that's a big thing in The Secret that's missing. It's the action part, and I think that's what's the difference between his book and the rest of them. I'm sure the rest of them, even Napoleon Hill has a workbook that goes with his book, but it's like a sister book or a companion book, not the main book. You know what I mean? Anyways, this program, I'm gonna say it, it's probably foolproof. But anyone who has bought this book is not a fool anyways, so we don't have to worry. Okay, guys, I'm going to give you the full review later on, okay? Take care.